In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to tilt an image in Canva. Tilting, or rotating, an image is a simple way to add energy, balance, or a stylistic touch to your design. Whether you're lining up a photo with a diagonal layout or giving a graphic a playful angle, this quick method will keep your workflow fast and clean. Start by opening your project in Canva so you're working right on the design that needs the adjustment. Take a moment to locate the exact image you want to tilt. It helps to single it out visually on your canvas so you're sure you're editing the right element. Once you've clicked to select it, double-click the image. This action takes you into the cropping options, which is a special editing mode designed for quick adjustments. When the cropping options appear, look to the left side of your screen. You'll see a panel with tools specific to what you're doing. In that panel, find the rotate control. It typically looks like a slider or a control you can drag. Place your cursor on that control and drag to the left to rotate counterclockwise or drag to the right to rotate clockwise. As you move it, you'll see the image tilt in real time on your canvas, making it easy to judge the angle visually. For subtle, precise adjustments, move the control slowly and watch how the image interacts with other elements in your layout. If your design uses diagonal lines, borders, or text, use those as visual guides to keep the composition balanced. If you see a degree indicator, that can help you repeat the same angle across multiple elements, but you can also trust your eye for more organic layouts. A small tilt can make a big difference, so don't be afraid to keep it minimal if that suits your design. Release the control when the image sits at the angle you want. The tilt is applied immediately within the cropping mode, and you can keep an eye on how it sits within your design as a whole. If the image edges come close to the frame, just make sure everything important remains visible after the tilt. And that's it. You opened your project, selected the image, double-clicked to enter the cropping options, found the rotate control on the left panel, and dragged it left or right until it looked just right. With this simple approach, you can tilt any image quickly and consistently, giving your design the exact vibe you're after.